Daddy's going there. Tingnan niyo silang dalawa. Oh, ganyan sila papunta. Maglakad-lakad sa shop. Paris is exercising. Hi. Are you exercising na?
Good job.
Good job. Finally, nakapag-book na ako. Good morning, welcome back to our channel. It is now Saturday.
What color is
And it's currently 11 ng umaga. Nak, say good morning sa anak. Say hi guys. Uy,
Say hi guys.
Ito, anak. Hi guys. Tingnan niyo si Daddy Mike guys, oh. He looks like a new person. Nag-ano siya guys,
Hi, guys.
nag-shave. Binibihisan namin si Paris kasi maglalakad sila ni Daddy Mike papunta ng ng shops. And si Mami ay maiiwan dito sa bahay kasi may nilalabhan ako guys. Kailangan kong ihang tapos may tutupiin ako. At kailangan ko pang naghilamos na pala ako pero kailangan ko lang maglagay ng moisturizer. Red one, Mama will fix your hair.
Yeah, quick. Put it on.
Yes, you want it, Nak.
1, 2.
3, 4.
Oh!
There she is. It's hiding. Yeah, Mama will put your hair up. Kay mura na kabog. Murag kabog ang atong baby. Give it to Mama B. Where's the other one?
Down.
Where's the other one?
Put just your arms in.
Here's the other one.
Paris, put your arms in please so I can go to the shop.
Listen to Daddy na
This one pink.
That's one is pink, yes. Ayan, natali na namin ang buhok. Pero si Daddy Mike ay nahihirapan na mag-clip. Wow! Well done, Daddy. Shush! Look in the mirror, B. Si Mama hindi magpapakita. Kaya muna tagpuan. Wak-wak. Look at the face. It's so beautiful. Wow! We go with Daddy now? Yes! Are you gonna bring Mama something? What are you gonna get Mama from the shop? What are you gonna get for Mama, nak? Ayun, anak, kay abog di, anak. Shh! Princess! May tindog, bi, kay abog ka. Ayun na.
Come on, sweetie.
La, Daddy's going.
Let's go. Bye, let's go.
Bye!
Let's go to
Bye,
the
Daddy.
shop.
Siksik atong Daddy, ah.
Come to the shop. Come on.
Sige na. Up na dayon. Wala pa man niya. Lagi ni siya na.
Alright.
La, Daddy's going there. Ride the horse. Hindi sila magpa-prom, guys. Arsahon sa iyang papa.
Jump.
Tapos sa
Oh.
liog.
And hold.
Wow, hala, it's very nice.
Oh.
Very warm, Daddy na.
Again, yes. I gotta ride the horsey. Hold on.
Good luck sa yung Daddy mag-ride sa horsey.
Mommy will put you out.
Tingnan niyo silang dalawa. Oh, ganyan sila papunta. Maglakad-lakad sa shop. Oh, sige na. Ay, kiss Mommy B. Enjoy, honey.
Listen, bye, mommy.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Enjoy. Have fun in the sun.
Let's go, Paris. Come on.
Enjoy, Paris. Hala, sobrang ganda sa labas ba? Ito yung dahilan kung bakit hindi ako sumama, guys. Kasi tingnan nyo, oh, 18 minutes more. Tapos pagkatapos nito, sasampay ko siya sa labas kasi very sunny. Kasi yung last na nilabhan ko, dito ko na siya sinampay sa loob. And medyo na naman siya kasi nagpa-heater kami earlier. Kaya, yan. Hintayin lang natin yan, guys, kasi meron pa tayong ibang lalabhan. Tumawag si Daddy Mike, guys, kasi nakalimutan niya ang kanyang mask. Excited na lumabas. Hindi ko makita yung sa kanya. Papili ko na lang siya kung saan dito. Ayan, super excited kasi na umalis. Nakalimutan na ang mask. Ayan na sila. Oh no! Did Daddy forget his mask, Nak?
Where's my mask?
I couldn't find it. Hindi nakita ni Daddy Mike yung mask niya, kaya yung sinuot niya yung pinakita ko sa kanya na blue. Yes, ito yung gusto ko talaga pag weekend. Kasi Daddy Mike takes Paris for a walk, kaya nagkaka-time ako para sa sarili ko. I'm very grateful talaga guys na si Daddy Mike is very supportive. Nagkaka-time ako para sa sarili ko for this, pero gumagawa din naman ako ng mga gawaing bahay guys. Ayan, kung naririnig nyo sa background natin ng ating washing machine ay malapit na matapos. Ayan, tingnan nyo, oh, malapit na talaga siyang maubos, oh. Oh, konti na lang. And then after that, maglalagay tayo ng ating moisturizer, her day cream. Ayan, so, ilang araw ko na ba itong ginagamit? Dalawa? Pangalawa or pangatlong araw? But I'm liking it so far, guys. Ayan, oh. Super ganda talaga siya sa skin. Very thick yung consistency niya, pero hindi siya nag-iiwan ng malagkit na feeling sa mukha. Yan talaga yung gusto ko. Nilagay ko ulit ang aking glasses guys para makita ko kayo. Kasi pag wala akong glasses, hindi ko alam kung na-out of focus ako sa camera. Kaya ilagay natin ulit. Anyways, nalagay ko na lahat sa aking mukha. At ngayon ay isi-share ko na naman sa inyo yung oh, happy day cards. Ayan, from my boss. So, pipili tayo ng isa guys at isi-share ko sa inyo. I don't know, but sa akin lang ha, it actually makes me feel good pag nakakabasa ako or nakakarinig ako ng mga positive thoughts, mga positive quotes. That's why I am sharing it with you guys. Kasi baka merong iba din sa inyo na katulad ko. Kaya, yeah, very emotional lang ba. Okay, so this is our positive quote for today. I let go of negative feelings and make way for positive change. Ayan. O, diba? Super nice lang talaga. That is so true. Let go of negative feelings and make way for positive change. I love that. 1:30 na pala siya ng hapon, guys. And you know what? Dapat sana yung plano ko for today is yung ASOS. Yes, hindi pa natatapos yung problema na yun. Ngayon ko sana dadalhin sa parcel point. Pero, nag-change yung mind ko, guys, kasi late akong bumangon kaninang umaga. Kasi alam niyo naman, pag weekend, dyan lang tayo nakakapag-sleep in. Kaya sabi ko sa sarili ko na sa Monday ko na lang siya dadalhin. When I talked to the lady last night from ASOS, sabi niya, I have 28 days naman daw from the day that I received the parcel. I'm very happy din pala guys kasi finally nakapag-book na ako. Yes, nakapag-book na ako sa aking hairdresser guys. Sobrang babaw lang ng dahilan. But if you are in Victoria, if you are in Melbourne guys, we have been locked down for so long now. Kaya matagal na akong hindi nakapunta ng hairdresser. The last time I was there was May. Kaya yung tubo ng aking buhok ngayon ay hanggang dyan na oh. Kaya kailangan ko na talagang bisitahin yung aking hairdresser. Ay, nakapag-book na ako. I am going on the 1st of October. Nakabook ako ng 12 noon yata or 1 p.m. I'm very excited. And also, yung Cebu Pacific, palagi nila akong ini-email. Sinasabihan nila ako na mag-book na, gagamitin ko na yung, yung travel fund ko. Kasi nga, diba, hindi natuloy yung uwi namin sa Pilipinas noong May. So, yung pera, yung bayad namin sa ticket, parang kinonvert namin sa travel fund. So, ngayon, palagi nila akong ini-email na book now, book this, book that. Pero, yeah, I'm not doing it yet guys kasi hindi ko pa alam kung kailan talaga kami pwedeng bumiyahe. And I think they're going to keep the travel fund for a year, I believe. Kaya okay lang na hindi mo na ako mag-book ngayon. Ibubook ko na lang yun pag alam ko na talaga na pwede na kaming umuwi ng Pilipinas. Hindi naman mawawala yung pera guys. The travel fund will stay there. It's safe. Kaya there's no rush for me. Hi guys! Guess what? It is now 2:30 ng hapon and si Daddy Mike natin ay tumawag. Kasi magpapapick up daw sila ni Baby Paris. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Yan ang nga sinasabi ko guys. Kasi si Baby Paris kasi hindi sila nag-pram. So si Daddy Mike ay nilagay lang niya si Paris dito sa kanyang dito sa kanyang balikat. Ngayon si Paris ay hindi nagpapababa. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, can you please pick us up? Kaya pipick upin ko ang ating mag-ama. Hala, maganda talaga yung araw guys bao kasi tingnan nyo, nakalabas ako ng naka-t-shirt lang. Normally, naka-jacket ako, 'di ba? Kakapark ko lang dito guys, pero lalabas na lang ako kasi gusto ko ring bumili ng banh mi from the Vietnamese na shop. Kaya, labas na lang tayo. For sure, pagbalik ni Paris dito sa sasakyan, matutulog na yon kasi it's currently 2:40 na yata ng hapon. That's why siguro na nagsusok na yun siya kasi sleepy na rin ba? Hi! Hello? What did you eat? What did you eat? Eat ice cream. Come on, let's go get some banh mi. Come on.
Money?
Yeah. Say hi, friends.
See money.
Banh mi, Bonnie.
I got money.
Yeah.
Buy money.
Bonnie?
That is
I
elastic.
buy.
That is Bamberg.
You can buy
That
money.
is elastic
Ice.
Bamberg.
What?
The elastic
You
Bamberg.
can
in my
buy
hand.
ice.
Oh, really?
Money. You can buy money.
Yes. The buy banh mi.
Buy money.
Yeah. Bonnie.
Look, Maya, this one.
What's that?
Come go ice.
What is that, my love?
Go
Punta
ice.
tayo ng Vietnamese shop guys. Bili tayo ng makakain natin.
You got come with Daddy?
Yummy. Oh, you go. Daddy ka.
No, I want it.
You don't want it? Okay, it's alright. Nagpabili siya nito. Oh. Tapos, kunti lang yung ininom niya. Ikaw, gid bata ka. Sayang ka, ginak. What is that? What's that? Oh, Daddy went to the shop. Almonds. What's that you're holding? Hmm? Seeds.
And the big one. Oh,
Wow, what's that?
orange.
Orange.
This one.
Hala, nak, imo na nang gibungkal din gipalit siya mong tatay nak.
This one go orange. Now,
What else? Hala, wala lagi nak. Wala yung stick glow.
you go to tapers.
What is that?
I opened it.
Take the shoes off so you can go to sleep.
No.
Naklaro ka imong mata nak unak. Gahiloy na na yung mata nak.
Just ask mommy.
Take the shoes off now so we can go to bed.
No, I'll put it.
It's nap time. So you wanna go have a nap with your shoes on? Mura kag tala-tala. Ha? Mali na. Come to mami.
No, I'll put it.
Ganyan na ng bata ah. Guys, ito pala yung binili ko sa from the Vietnamese shop. Ayan. Oh, I can't wait to eat it. Daddy is preparing his lunches, guys. Tingnan niyo. Spinach and what's that sauce, Daddy?
What?
This one, the sauce.
Garlic.
Okay, then look. Baso and garlic yung nilagay niya. Ganyan siya guys, nagre-ready yan siya ng kanyang mga pagkain kasi I don't know, he counts all the calories and whatever. And he's cooking egg as well. And then chicken. Ayan. Hi guys, gising na ang ating baby girl, oh. Kumakain ng kanyang crackers. What are you watching na?
Watching.
Watching.
Ada.
Oh, baby Alexander.
There.
Yeah, she's watching Peppa Pig, guys. At ang kanyang tatay sa labas nag-workout. Ayan. Sinuotan ko na siya ng sapatos kasi lalabas na kami. Punta kami ng backyard ba para sampay ng damit. Kaso ayaw niya. Gusto niyang manood lang ng Peppa Pig. Nak, do you wanna go with mommy? In the backyard, we'll hang the clothes. Ayaw niya talaga. Yung tatay niya naman ay nag-workout sa labas. Tingnan niyo. Ano na pala, malapit nang mag 5 o'clock. Asan yung tatay na wala? Ay, nag-run around. Where's daddy?
There.
There. Lumabas kami guys kahit medyo madilim na.
Come on, come.
Gusto ni Paris mag-ride ng kanyang bike. Come on, anak. Iyong ka mag-ride kag bike.
No.
Ha? Lamo-lamo na dahil ka di ay. Makagawas ka. Here's your helmet, oh.
No.
No. Pagitoon mo niya ang daddy. Where's daddy?
Yeah.
Where?
There.
I can't see daddy.
Hello.
Come. Come too.
Yeah. You come too? Yeah, I'll come. Daddy's working out, manak.
Ooh.
Ooh. What's daddy doing?
Steven Garner.
Hmm?
Garner.
Yeah. That's right. What's daddy doing, me? Show mama B.
It's Sonia Garner. Look at this one.
Look at that one.
What's that one?
Look. Big one.
It's a reindeer.
Oh, Pekka, Dad. Pekka, did you like this? Ooh. What is that?
What is that? That's daddy's one.
Look, what?
Treadmill.
Look. Look at the box.
Minak. Nging. Nging.
What is the box?
Put it back.
No, I'm good.
Woo! Do you want to try?
Okay, let me hold the parents.
Mommy hold Paris. Yeah, have a look at Paris, guys. Oh, Paris is exercising.
Hi.
Hi, are you exercising na?
Good job.
Good job. You put the baby.
Okay. Now, let's go, baby.
Tingnan niyo to, guys. Oh, nasira na tong treadmill ni Daddy Mike kasi
Baby.
I'm not too sure how this happened, but tingnan niyo ito siya, oh.
Come.
Parang na-move silang lahat doon na side.
Put the baby here.
That's why it's making that noise. Ewan ko paano
Put
yan
the
i-fix.
baby.
Put the baby, anak. Okay, put the baby. Wow! Bye, reindeer.
Bye. One more.
No more.
My dad.
Yeah, you get it. You get it.
Mommy.
No.
Get mommy.
What do you say to mommy?
Please.
Please. There you go. And what do you say now?
Please.
Say thank you.
Put the baby here.
Okay. Whoop! Fall down. Yay!
I found it.
Did you throw it? You did.
Daddy, get it going there.
Again. Whoa. Whoa.
This is mine.
It's yours. Get it, Paris?
I'm gonna get it, mommy.
Hang on. Ah!
Job.
Hi guys! It's now 7 o'clock. Nandito na kami sa loob ng bahay. Nag-stargazing kami sa labas kanina. Si Paris, she loved it. Outside, talagang humiga siya sa sa mga grass ba, tapos nag-count-count siya ng mga stars. It was good kasi hindi siya masyadong malamig tonight, which is really good. Kaya na-start na naming ma-enjoy kahit sa harapan lang kami ng bahay. At least, feel namin na nasa labas kami. Ready na pala kami ng aming hapunan, guys. And Daddy Mike is here. Say hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Have a look, guys, oh. Does he look different without the beard?
Like a kid.
Like a kid, baby face. So, baby face. And ngayon ay, ang ating baby girl ay nandito.
That's mine.
Hi, honey. What are you eating? Oh, what are you drinking?
I'm drinking some ice cream.
Ice cream.
Milk for milk.
Oh, yummy.
Milk.
Nagbi-video call pala kami ng ko, guys. Ng kapamilya ko. Hi, Nor.
Hello.
Hi, vlog. Unsa kay sound at tumak? Unsa kay sound at tumak? Ay. It really hurts. Ang magmahal ng ganito.
Take the bubbles.
Si Mimiya, gid ka tawag ikaw itong Mimiya. At kapiling mo na siya at wag kang mangamba.
Hold on, parrot.
Tatlong di ba makakatawag lang.
First,
Take them.
tang.
Nagtipok na sila sa iyo.
Is it so yummy?
Ha?
Five na. Nagtipok na sila sa imong bulat.
Guys, bili na kayo ng karne at utan. Ati man na, yung sa pagumangko, no? Yung tummy ko, no? Oh.
Baby, tummy.
Bye-bye.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry daw siya, Mac. Hungry.
There's
I
another
want this one.
Hello.
Oh, right?
You're full now?
That's a tummy.
Artista lagi ni siya, Mac, na.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Ah, you're hungry again, okay.
Drink this.
And drink this. Tingnan niyo ang presentation na naman ni Daddy, guys, o sa ating dinner. May mga dahon-dahon. Kay Paris, ayan, oh. Ready na, Daddy, Mike. What are you doing, Paris, Nicole?
Open the good.
Open the what?
Open good.
Let's go. Eat na, tanak. Ay na, eat na. It's now 8 o'clock ng gabi and kakatapos lang namin mag-dinner. Actually, kakatapos ko lang maghugas ng mga plato. Ngayon ay nandito lang kami sa sala. Si Paris ay nanonood ng kanyang Tito Blippi. Ayan. But i-end na natin yung video natin dito, guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Hindi ko man kayo maisa-isa, but thank you talaga sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel at sa pagmamahal na pinapakita nyo sa amin. Maraming salamat. And now we're just going to do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to Rosana Mansueto, Cherry Salazar, and also shout out daw sa kay Alexa and Eileen Sugano and Duarez family and Esclito family ng Silay City, Negros Occidental, Arlene Hover, Teresa Villar, Mami Rose Sabalie, Jonadil Gallardo from Cebu, hello. Shout out to Pichi Santiago, Elaine Norris Lavue. Pasensya na sisi, hindi ko alam kung paano i-pronounce yung last name mo. But she's from Apple Valley, California. Hello sa inyong lahat dyan. Shout out to Arin Panorel, Jessica Legaspi from Calibo, Aklan, Janet Gordon, Lisan Bansil, Mad Brat, Erlinda Madelo, Josephine Rivera, Cherry May Ongayo, Florinda Corcuera. Shout out to Amshi Nympha de Casa, hello. Shout out to Kane Bernales. Shout out to Mom Red Sabial, hello. Shout out to Evert Suta 53, Jonah Reese, Renz Juya, Marcela Remudo, Emmeline Himao, Miss Key de los Santos. Shout out to Myla Betasolo, Mary Ann Jusu, Viuli S, Gemaline Javier, Patricia Mondoyo, Sharon Ando, Ana Dino, Leilani Gilin, Zel Mesiastom, and Mercy Dahak. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also, make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Bye-bye.
bye. Bye, guys. Bye, Daddy.
See ya. Good night.
Bye. Mwah.